Easily enhance student engagement with Smart Ink by creating interactive learning experiences. When you connect your computer to your Smart Interactive display, Smart Ink provides you and your students the ability to write and draw in digital ink over the applications, files, websites, and more. With Smart Ink's dynamic toolbar, choose between either the pen or hand touch tools. You can then write and draw in digital ink, take screen captures, convert handwriting to text, and insert stamps. This provides students and teachers the ability to easily interact with digital lesson content. For example, open your browser to a web page relevant to your lesson content. Pick up your pen and tap the Smart Ink bubble icon on the screen. This will open the dynamic toolbar. Choose from a variety of pen types, customize the pen properties, and allow your students to write or highlight with a variety of colors and line thickness options. For a more hands-on interactive lesson option, choose the Smart Ink finger inking option. Rather than picking up your display's pen, tap the finger inking bubble icon to choose from the available options. This allows more than one user to simultaneously interact with the display without pens to promote collaboration and teamwork. Smart Ink is equipped with a variety of unique pen and stamp options. This will take your lesson to the next level with the ability to utilize special pen tools such as the Write to Text pen and the ability to insert ready-made or custom stamps. Use the Write to Text option to write directly on your display, convert your handwriting to text, and drop the text into the search bar or browser. This makes it easy to quickly search for the content you need during your lesson. Once your browser lesson content is open, stamps can be used to check student work directly on the display. At the end of your lesson, clearing all digital ink from the window is as easy as one button or a quick wipe of the screen. Your favorite Smart Ink tools can be saved for quick access every time you connect your device. Adding your favorite to Smart Ink toolbar is easy. Select the tool you'd like to add, tap Add as Favorite to your toolbox, and it'll be ready to go. The variety of options available in Smart Ink will assist in making your lesson more interactive and engaging for your students. With the variety of pen and stamp options, ability to ink over applications or PDF documents, presentation tools, and screen capture options, Smart Ink provides a dynamic way for you and your students to interact. To learn more, visit training.smarttech.com.